Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect INKBOOK Classic 2 with your PC for a file transfer. And to do this, you will need one cable that allows you to connect USB-C, and that end we need to connect with our INKBOOK, and you can find the plug on the bottom right there. Then next thing is a USB, and I have USB-A, and if you have any other plug, then you will need the according plug that will allow you to connect with your PC. So right now I'm just gonna connect it with my PC. And next thing is to open the file manager on our PC. This PC, and then go for the gear icon on your INKBOOK, because as you can see it doesn't show up in our file manager, which means there's some connection problems. And here we want to go for advanced settings, or actually sorry, for general, and then user defined. Inside there's USB connect mode, and we want to activate media device MTP. Now, after a few seconds it should show on your PC like this. We can click on it and inside access all of the files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.